Looks like someone's gutters are having a meltdown. Don't let that be you. At American Gutter Masters, we're your one-stop shop for all things gutters. We're talking peace of mind, curb appeal, and protection for your precious home, all rolled into one. Did you know those puny 4-inch gutters most houses have can barely handle a drizzle? Our heroes, the 6-inch seamless gutters, have twice the capacity. Double the protection against rain, snow, and any weather conditions that come your way. But why choose us? We're not just some fly-by-night gutter squad. We're licensed, insured, bonded, and have your back with workman's comp. We answer the phone. Shocking, right? Value your time with quick service and only install the best. 6-inch seamless gutters, of course. Plus, we don't skimp on style. Choose from a whopping 24 colors to match your house and make it the envy of the block. Don't just take our word for it. See what our happy customers are saying. Professional service, great prices. I really enjoyed going through the process of working with these guys on getting my new gutters. No complaints, great work. Great job done. Polite and courteous installing crew. Would highly recommend American Gutter Masters for all your gutter needs. See? We're experts when it comes to gutters. Ready to ditch the gutter stress and protect your home? Let's do it. Give us a call or fill out our online form today. American Gutter Masters, keeping your home safe and stylish, one gutter at a time. Together, let's make your house weather any storm.